So we're looking for an individual to come and help us with the day-to-day running of Ffiws. For those of you who don't know, Ffiws is a maker space that is located on Porthmadog High Street. We have a range of different equipment available here to use for free. We've got a 3D printer, we've got a heat press, we've got laser cutters. All of them are here available to use for free. We've also got technicians here who can offer support and training on these different pieces of equipment as well. So this person would need to be in Ffiws 3 days a week, and they would be responsible for opening and closing the space in order to give people access to the space and the equipment that's available here. They would also need to help with arranging events and workshops, and there is also an element of community engagement involved with the role as well. So trying to get businesses, schools, colleges and other members of the community to come to Ffiws and to make the most of what's available here. So this person will need to have good bilingual skills, good communication skills and good digital skills as well. But it's a great opportunity for an individual to come and work in a maker space, have the experience of learning about the equipment and also the experience of working on a community project like this. So if you're interested or want to know more, please contact us.